just got the phone just now. I definitely can do some like nose blowing videos. I was asking for what like I was sneezing a whole bunch of times in a row in the bathroom. Like, why am I sneezing so much? I was feeling better. Firma says that there's smoke outside, it's like a lot of smoke, you know. Here. So anyway, let's do. I've been just dying to do my sprays. I got two kinds of sprays. Sprays for my nose. I have my handkerchief, and I have. I want to clean my face with the wipes. We'll try different wipes. Here's my handkerchief. Okay, so that'll be good. Let's do that. So let's do a little bit of this Flonase. Start with the Flonase. See? There we go. I've been wanting to go on and premiere, but I have the phone. It's just a little bit in here. And I got all my drinks poured, anticipating in case I got the phone. Yes. Yes, girlfriend. Oh, did you guys like that trying on I did? Yeah, I just have like, my lung, you know, it's like mucusy from my cold. So, there we go. I'll blow my nose now. We do all sorts of things. We can maybe take meds and stuff. Yeah. That's helpful. Okay. So I want to try these wipes. I want to try these wipes. Or toy wipe. So I have this collagen one. Let's do that one. Put it up. Around my face, my head, like where it hurts. My throat obviously hurts, like right here. It's like almost headachy. Oh, we'll do the Tylenol or the Advil. Yeah, that'll be meds. Headachy. Almost like cluster headaches. I removed some of the fluid. It was filling up my stomach into a round ball. I got a hold of my medication for my water bill. Yay! Let's do that one. Okay, we'll do this one. Wipe. Yeah, this one. Oh, it feels good in my eyes, or they hurt. Okay. I got a lot of good drinks. I'll show you what I got. Whew. Okay. Well, I have my Diet Coke. Let's just drink them all. Oh, we got some sushi, some of those little vegan wraps, sushi, look like sushi, little mini pizza, what's the other thing, chimichanga. I got hot peppers from my garden. I can cook them in the toaster oven with the chimichanga. Esmeralda made a fresh batch of vegetable soup. Thank you, Esmeralda. It was really good. I've been going just back and forth, a little steadier on my feet today, so it's good. Okay, we have that one now. This is the fun one. I got another Sunrise Hard Seltzer Lemon. Let's drink. Let's drink. Let's drink to the old man. Old man. 444. Let's drink to the old man. Ah, yes, we love him. What did he tell me to ram a cucumber up up my you-know-what. Friendly guy, isn't he? Wow. Gargle some of this sunrise hard seltzer when you have sore throat. Yes. All right. I can do the Pataday drops. Pataday. Let me open that. That will help my eyes, man. They burn. Excuse me. It's coughing video. Coughing and blowing nose. An illness. People like them though, but I'm sick as hell, so people like it, I'll make it as long as I can sit up. If not, oh well, I can't do it then. This helps so much. See a doctor, or your optometrist, but I get better than vaccine. It's very expensive, it's a tiny little thing, but it's awesome. It's awesome. Okay, put the cap on. I don't want to lose it. We'll do some coughing video, packing over, quarantine myself. I must quarantine myself. Oh my god. Hacking, blowing nose. What if I put blowing nose rather than nose blowing? Interesting. Okay. Now it's time for, where's my meds? Where are your meds? Yay. Blood pressure medicine. Yay. I'm happy to have it. Should drop it in my drink like I usually do. Yeah. And this is Diet Coke. Coffee and Coke. And a seltzer cocktail. I'm sure it'll be fine. There it is. Cheers, my medication. I'm digging it. My eyes are better. That's all I do. I just enjoy myself, or maybe they like to see me miserable. I don't know. And I get paid. I get views. I get paid. Okay. Gotta wear the sexy glasses. Yeah, I do feel like a headache's coming on. Headachy. Wait. I think I need to take 2 or 3 today. One is not doing anything. I'm gonna take 3 today. One and go, one hour later, and then one tonight. One tonight. Alright, that'll help. This headache's brutal. That's the brutal part. Oh, I'll gurgle with my iodine mouthwash. Ooh, and I was saying I put a salad in the fridge and I got this really nice like champagne dressing. It was really nice. There's no alcohol, but it's just the kind of, what's the name of it? It's just the kind of it. All right. I'm very happy with this video. Play with my hair, and I'm going to post this. Oh, I might have to brush my hair again today. I made a mess of my hair. I have 1 cigarette left. I might put a video. We'll see. I'll see you soon. Bye.